how to fix battery draining fast after updating your iPhone. So, first of all, turn off background app refresh. Open up settings. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on general. Inside general, scroll down and then tap on background app refresh and then simply tap onto it one more time. Make sure it is set to off or Wi-Fi only. Next, manage location services. Head back to settings, scroll down to privacy and security, tap onto it, and now tap on location services. After that, simply set apps to while using or never. This alone can save a lot of battery. Now fix your display settings. Inside settings, simply tap on display and brightness. Now simply look for auto lock. Tap onto it and make sure it is set to 30 seconds or 1 minute. Now turn off raise to wake and always on display if you don't need them. Now disable auto brightness. To do so, head back, tap on accessibility, then tap on display and text size, scroll down and then simply turn off auto brightness. Now after that, you need to go and simply tap on battery. Simply tap on battery health and charging and turn on optimize charging. Also check which apps are draining battery. In the battery settings, you need to go and simply tap on view all battery usage, and if an app drains your battery power without using it, consider deleting it. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.